All right, so for today's video, we're going to be talking about our core. So I'm going to be showing you a beginner's sequence of a 4-point stabilization exercises. So each exercise is going to be started out with 10 seconds with a 5-second transition period. So what we're going to do is, this is something that's kind of what I always do, is I downloaded a free interval timer. So this actually calculates how long I'll be doing it for, and it tells me when I'm going to be doing my intervals. So I'm going to keep this by my side to tell me when I'm going to be switching over to the next one. I find this to be very, very helpful, so you might want to look at getting that. So our first exercise is going to be from our knees. We're going to go on our elbows, and we're just going to be doing a forward plank. So that's going to be 10 seconds. And then we are going to rotate onto our right side, and we're going to hold that 10 seconds. Then we're going to be switching to our posterior. And I want you to really drive and focus on contracting the posterior chain, holding that. Then we're going to be going left side down. That will be our routine. All right, let's get our timers ready. All right, let's set up. Last side onto the left.